I, too, want to celebrate American ingenuity and recognize the achievements of these two pharmaceutical companies that recently announced the development of, it appears, highly effective vaccines to the COVID-19 virus. They, of course, in the coming weeks will be seeking formal approval for emergency use from the FDA. And there's some other drugs online that are notable as well. Eli Lilly out of Indianapolis, Indiana, has a drug that is targeted towards those who are most at risk of contracting the COVID-19 virus, and it's already been approved by the FDA. All of this is possible because of our innovators, our frontline scientists, our incredible university system, but the Trump administration is also to be commended for its Operation Warp Speed, finding a new way to do business, and Republicans in the U.S. Senate, led by Roy Blunt, who helped author this initiative in the CARES Act. So very proud of my colleagues, and we need to build on that success here in Washington. First order of business is we need to make sure that all of the leadership who might need access to current COVID developments has access to that. So that would be the Coronavirus Task Force. The second thing is we as legislators need to build on our CARES Act success by passing the next round of assistance. Small business assistance is especially important as we see hundreds of thousands of businesses having permanently closed on account of this pandemic. They require additional help. I've been talking about this for months. I'll continue to talk about this. Fortunately, a variant of the legislation I put forward with Senator Bennett is part of the Republican Senate relief package, as is additional essentials like school funding. So, look, I understand some of my colleagues on the far left have other priorities. They may be a bit in tension with our more targeted relief bill. They may have additional sort of wish list priorities that they want to tack onto this. This is not a time for putting forward your ideological initiatives. If there's one thing that I think we learned in the recent elections, it's been the rejection of this far left impulse of the National Democratic Party. So hopefully we can agree that there's much to like in this Senate bill and move on it in coming days.